Yes, sir. It's your friendly neighborhood juice man, Bryson Gulley, B. Rice, the neighborhood juice dealer. You know what it is. But today, I ain't gonna lie, we actually about to talk about the juicing basics, including the recipe. You know that helped OG drop 30 pounds with no gym for real. Whether you're trying to lose weight, boost energy, or you're just trying to feel amazing every day, man, I got y'all. Just give me a sec. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna talk about these benefits, man. So juicing really is not a trend. It might be for some people because you on the wave, you're gonna see people try to copy your wave, but nah, it's a lifestyle for real. Here's actually what it can do for you. It can give you that energy boost. So skip the coffee, the lattes, skip the Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. Nah, get them out of here. See you later. Juicing actually gives you clean energy without failing to crash, and it's way better for your body, you feel me? And that weight loss part. So if you want to replace one meal a day with some juice, that could be done. So it allows you to cut calories without losing any nutrients for real. That's how OG lost 30 pounds in 5 weeks, you feel me? Just drinking this stuff. And like I keep saying, there was no gym needed. He wasn't on none of that. And it helps your overall health as well. So it's literally a multivitamin in a plastic bottle. You know, in my case, just juice, cop some. The juice loads you up with vitamins, and it keeps your immune system strong. And it helps you, you know, be on your feet, stay on point every day. Nobody ever want to get lacking at work, school, whatever. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. And the best part is that you're actually getting the raw power of the fruits and veggies. No added nonsense. All natural, made with real love. You know how we do. Alright, so in this section, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how you can actually start juicing. I wanted to get the benefits and stuff out the way because I didn't want to be, you know, a person who uploads videos on YouTube and wait to the end to get to the point. Nah, we get to the point first and we work our way back. So juicing is not that complicated. I got actually about to show y'all how easy this is in these 3 steps. So first, the equipment. That's obviously the most important part, the main part other than the ingredients. But you don't need a $500 juicer. You're just getting started. Outside of that, nah, I'm just giving y'all a real game. Go to Amazon, get you an $80 juicer. I got an $80 juicer 5 years ago. As a family, we got one. And then, because we was using it for us. And then, boom, 5 years later, that's the OG one y'all seen the videos that I'm using. That's 2019 cop. Nah, get you one, and it's going to last for real, especially if you're doing it for an immediate family or an immediate group of people. You're good. It's going to last you. So ingredients, so you can start with fruits and vegetables that you already like. Mangoes, oranges, ginger, you know. Easy ones that taste great. You know, that's just 3 that I could just name off the bat. But when you actually prep your produce, wash them first. And this is the prep tips right here I got for y'all. So wash your produce first, chop them up into smaller pieces. And that makes your juicing a lot smoother. You can actually just cool it. You know, all the hard part is getting the equipment, getting the ingredients, and prepping the juice. And then once you throw it in the juicer, that's all she wrote. Alright, now I'm about to put y'all on to the recipe that started it all. That was in that trifecta. Mango Sunrise was one of the juices in the trifecta. It's actually a fan favorite. And I'm gonna give y'all the recipe because why not? You feel me? I want y'all to start juicing for yourselves and y'all families because, you know, health is wealth, man. And I'm in this with y'all. So let's get to it. So the mango sunrise recipe, right? 1 mango is smooth, 2 oranges peeled is smooth, 2 lemons peeled is smooth, 1-inch piece of ginger is valid. Then you can do a whole pineapple. So you'll cut the pineapple up. You can watch one of my videos, see how I do it if you don't know how. Cut up the pineapple. It could be a whole pineapple, half pineapple, nothing less than a half. And then a half a cup to a full cup of coconut water. It just depends on how much pineapples you use. So basically, off the pineapple, mirror how much pineapples you're using, whether it's half cup, 3/4 a cup, and then match that with the coconut water, and you'll be valid. I know y'all gonna ask me, why is this a fan favorite? Why are you starting with this one? Why didn't you give me another one? First of all, this is packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. And we are in November, about to be in December. So that's important. Anti-inflammatory benefits comes from the ginger. After it's juiced and added to the juice, it definitely helps with the recovery process after workout. So if you're sore, that's gonna be good for you. If you just starting to get back in the gym, if you're in the gym and you experiencing some stiffness, pause, and you know your joints is on fire, this will definitely help. And in athletes, this will definitely help for recovery. And then last but not least, it's definitely sweet. It's refreshing. It got a little zesty kick, but don't think zesty in the way you think it's zesty. Y'all crazy. So this zesty taste will actually have you hooked. This is actually why I actually like making this. I like making all the juices, but this is one of my favorites because I'm a mango guy, and you know it's busting, so why not? So this is the part that's most important. So I'm gonna walk through this slowly and make sure y'all get every word that I'm saying. So this is literally how you make it. You get everything, you wash everything thoroughly, then you peel the mango, peel the orange, peel the lemon, and peel the ginger. Now after you done all that, you dice your mango and pineapple into smaller pieces. You can leave everything else as is, just the mango and the pineapple. If you get the whole pineapple, dice them. Then you run all of that through the juicer and you just cool it. Then at the end, that's when you add your coconut water, you know, after you mix all the juices from the mango, orange, lemon, and ginger. Then you add the coconut water and then you mix it all again. And then that's it. It's simple. Bussin'. And then it's perfect for anyone that's starting their juicing journey. You feel me? And that recipe I gave y'all is fit for 1 to 3 people. So if it's more people, add more, but make sure it's gonna even out. So you'll be tasting, you'll be like, all right, this is like that, you know? Oh yeah. Before I forget, if you want to try this yourself and you don't feel like juicing at home, you can hit our Instagram anytime, 𝐺𝐼ZZJUIC3. And I got this. Then I got a couple other lineups for y'all, a couple flavors for y'all in the tuck. And I got more coming. So bear with me. If you follow, I'm saying tap in. And I ain't gonna lie, I already know what some of y'all thinking. If y'all watching this far, you're thinking, Bryson, juicing sounds expensive. What is you talking about? I went on Amazon, didn't see nothing, $80. What are you talking about? I got you. Let me cover that real quick. So this is how you handle all that. So after you get your juicer, boom, you buy everything in bulk at farmers markets. You feel me? If you get them in bulk, you can cut them up into smaller pieces if you're not going to use all of them the same day, and you could put them in a freezer to preserve the freshness. So you're not just having them sit out. You got gnats everywhere. You got all this going on now. You don't want that. And it's crazy because that's good for your budget. Because once you break it down, the mango sunrise cup alone, or a bottle of mine or whatever, it's, you know what I'm saying, it's way less than the latte, and it'll last you longer. But in your case, if you're making it for immediate 1 to 3 people, that's like $3 a glass. Like, come on, you probably spending $20 on fruit for real if it's just you and your folks, not even, maybe less. And then you got $3 a glass that, you know, you're saving much more on the back end if you're skipping out on a latte for a month and then you replace it with juicing. You can get crazy, but let me tackle the second part. So time, prep everything in advance. If you like, damn, I want to start my week off right, you feel me, I'm gonna cop everything Thursday, cut it up Friday, and then Saturday or Sunday I'm gonna juice, do that, because that'll save you a lot of time, so you're not doing everything in one sitting and then you'll burn out quick. Do that, and then freeze whatever else you're not using, so later on all you got to do is just have it unthawed, bring the juicer out, do your thing, put the juicer back, wash it, wash the juicer after you use it, wash it, put it back, you're Gucci. Especially if you got it, a lot of it in advance, you good. And then for everybody that's in the bean, that's in 617 land, just cop Just Juice, man. You can get your free sample if you want that. Just DM me, but you only get 1 bottle of a free sample of the 4 flavors. You don't get 1 per flavor. That's crazy. So it's pick up or delivery. Pickups only for samples, and we can arrange that if we need be. But you know, whatever. Shipping is coming soon for my people out of state. I see y'all. I see y'all messages, man. Keep holding me accountable, because I'm not saying I forget. I just be so caught up with the city because the city going crazy. I got y'all though. Y'all, I got y'all. Y'all definitely gonna get some jizz real soon. Alright, boom. So there you have it, dog. Thank y'all for rocking with me if you've been rocking with me. Juicing is made simple. I know I've been chatting, but I'm really trying to give y'all my due diligence and give y'all the game of what I've been learning and why I really started this thing, just more in depth. So if y'all really ready to start for real, and y'all not playing, and y'all like, all right, bro, I don't need you no more, Start with Mango Sunrise. Go get your juicer, start with Mango Sunrise, and watch how it changes your energy, your vibe, and maybe even your health. It definitely will change your health. But if you stick long enough with it, you gotta stay consistent. When you stay consistent with it a month, 2 months, you'll see those benefits really working without you even knowing it because of how good this shit is. So if you're ready to take it to the next level and you're really not trying to do too much, you can follow Jizz Juice, JIZZJUIC3. So even if you're at the crib and you want to watch and see what flavors I make and mirror what I'm doing, you'll find all the flavors there. You can find them there right now too. All the flavors there, exclusive updates if you're a customer, and maybe you get a free sample if you're lucky. Just let me know, and I got you. So before y'all get out of here, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment of your top three favorite fruits, and I'll put that in the next juice, man, that I'm gonna make. The next new one is gonna be our top 3, and then I'm gonna shout y'all out, and I'm gonna see how it is. Cause till next time, y'all see me soon. Stay fresh, stay energized with Jizz, and we out.